Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're making pizza sliders for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Make sure you stay till the very end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, we're making a drink. This is called Tasting Away in Margaritaville. And I'm getting this from my bartender's guide written by John K. Waters. So this is a shaken drink. Do a little bit of ice in the shaker. And we'll do 1 ounce of tequila. I got Villa Lobos tequila. It's an award-winning top shelf tequila. It won the 2015 San Francisco World Spirits competition as best tequila. All right, so we'll go 1 ounce of that. And then a 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, a 1/2 ounce of sour, or actually we'll go a full ounce of sweet and sour mix, and 2 ounces of mango nectar. Give that a shake up. And we're gonna strain that into my nice big margarita glass. And that, my friends, is a tasting away in Margaritaville. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for appetizer, we got pizza sliders. See here how I made them. For Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're doing pizza sliders. I got some nice dry Italian salami. So we got 9 sliders, so I'm going to cut off 9 pieces of salami. This one's for the chef. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll take the skin off. All right, to go with our pizza sliders, it's called the Ernesto. And I'm getting this from a Smuggler's Cove. This drink was actually created by Cate, the author of Smuggler's Cove. All right, it says pour the grapefruit soda into a double old-fashioned glass. Add remaining ingredients into a cocktail shaker filled with cracked ice cubes. Shake and strain into a double old-fashioned. Carefully add cracked or cubed ice into the glass and garnish. So the ingredients we need are 2 ounces of Ting grapefruit soda, 1 ounce of fresh lime, 1 ounce of honey syrup, a ½ ounce of apricot liqueur, 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of tequila Blanco, and a dash of herb stura. All right, so I got the Ting grapefruit soda. This is a product from Jamaica, lovely soda. So just get that in the glass. And then the rest we're gonna build in my shaker. Put a little ice in my cocktail shaker. So 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. I got the juice of a half lime. And then 1 ounce of honey syrup. This is just a simple syrup that I made with honey. A ½ ounce of apricot liqueur. I just got some apricot brandy today. 2 ounces of tequila Blanco. It says a dash of herb stura. See page 228. All right, so herb stura. It says one of Don's secret weapons. He's referring to Don the beachcomber. In his drinks, he is a great combination of spices, a staple for him with the combination of herbicide and Angostura bitters. All right, so I got the Angostura bitters. And then as a substitute, I'm gonna do a little bit of Angostura orange bitters. And then I got some hibiscus flower extract. All right, we're gonna give that a shake. And I already got the Ting Jamaican grapefruit soda with ice. And I'm gonna strain that on in. And I got a nice lime wedge as garnish. And that's an Ernesto. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.